In this video, I will show you how to delete comments on YouTube. Open www.youtube.com in a browser. If you are logged in, enter your email address and password to continue. Go to the video where the comment is located. Go to the comment you want to delete. You will most likely need to scroll down to view the comment, especially if you are using the YouTube mobile app. Select three dots. It's in the bottom right corner of the comment you wish to remove. Select delete. You will see delete if you are removing your own comment from a video, or remove if you are removing another user's comment from your own video. Doing so will remove the comment on desktop. You can delete any of your own comment, or you can delete comments made by other people that are posted on your channel. You cannot delete comments made by other people on a video that is not on your channel. However, you may report any inappropriate comments on any channel if they are spam. If they are spam or abuse, which will immediately remove the comment from your view. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.